Okay, hello everybody, and what we're going to do right now is we're going to set up a demo environment for using the Delinea platform as a business user. So we're going to come at it from three different vantage points. First is obviously we're going to create an administrator. The second one, we're going to create a more of a management type of a position, and then a regular, and the third is a regular user. So let's get started here with a couple of housekeeping items. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to set up our marketing folder. So we're going to use this folder to place a particular secret in. So we're going to place, we get our marketing folder going here. So that was easy. You got step one. So the second thing, what we're going to do is we need our users. So what we're going to do here is we're going to come over to access, and what we're going to do is create actually 3 cloud account users. So we're going to step through this. If I fast forward through some of these actions here, but just to show how we're creating this, this is how we're going to do it. So we're going to create an add local user, and we're going to name the user, in this case, Sean, and email address is going to be, and this is going to be an email address that I'm going to use to be able to gain the invitation. So we're going to be able to receive the invitation back to this particular email account here. Type, there we go. So I'm going to create all these in rapid fashion, just so we have it. And then we're going to go Sean Delinea. Okay, so that's going to be one there. Let me format that correctly. VB3. Okay, so there's one user right there. So we're going to send this email invitation for user profile setup. So off we go. There's one. Let's see, we're going to make this this is going to be an everybody user, but we're going to make this user slightly elevated once we get the user, and we're going to set the permissions. Okay, so there's user 1. So user 1's off to the races there. Now let's come back over here and go with user 2. So user 2 is going to be a regular user. This user's name is going to be Alan. Again, we're going to leverage this email. And Alan, Delinea, as you can see, we are receiving the email. So we have Alan Delinea. Now is user going to be user, regular user. So hit next there. Again, everybody, and we'll come back there and add the appropriate permissions here in a moment. So lastly, what we're going to do is create our administrative user. Okay, so come back over here to access. This all, by the way, can be done with Active Directory, federated identities, and all those particular identity points. Okay, so last user we're going to create here is Ruben. And Ruben's going to be the administrator. So again, we're going to key in okay. Okay, so we're off to the races here. We're going to let these go, and then we're going to come back to this here in a moment. I'm going to go ahead and set, now we're going to set Ruben here as an administrator on this particular one. So that's, we're going to click add. Okay, very good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hit pause just for a sec and let these, let me go ahead and set up the email account and the accounts with the email invitation, and then we'll come right back.